Welcome back. Now it's time to create the table that we need. So in order to create the table, first you need to open your database and then click on PHP underscore project, or the name of your database that you want to use. I'm going to be using this, PHP underscore project. And then you need to click here on create a new table. You can here type the name of the table. So here, create table, I'm going to type the name of the table. So my table name is going to be messages, and it will have here, we will need for this table, we will need basically 4 columns, and then I'm going to click on go. Now we have this table. So for this table we need here, we need ID, we need an ID. So the ID is going to be integer, the length, I'm going to say 11, the AI means auto increment. We need it to be auto increment. It's very important to be auto increment, and also we need it to be primary key. So if you say auto increment here, it's going to say primary. Make sure that this is selected primary. It must be the primary key. The second is going to be the text that the user is going to send. So this is the text that will be sent by the user. The message that we will compare the message that the user will send. So whenever the user sends a message, we will have here a message stored, and we will compare the user message with this message in order to respond accordingly. And then the third column that we need is the response. I'm going to say here response. So the text is going to be text, obviously. The response is going to be response, and that's it. Pretty simple. The last column is not important. You can have, for example, the date or anything you want, but I think this is enough. So I'm going to here click on go. Here at the bottom, I'm going to click on save, and that's it. Now, as you can see, we have this table, and this table has 1, 2, 3, only 3 columns. So we need the ID. Make sure that the ID here has this key, which means that it's auto increment, and it's the primary key. We have the text, and we have the response.